Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this regard. For the civil justice closure sign off I'm providing for myself, and yes, it is a multitasking is a wisdom. Okay, and I will quickly read through this civil justice and no overview because I provide the overview in a previous session, right? Yes, my dear fellow mankind, in one sentence, it is the doctors, it is the medical services, being purest form of slaves to Pope Francis. They are the ones who created the COVID-19 plague. And it is because I filed lawsuit against Department of Health Services for $500 billion. And civil justice must be filed, right? Must be provided to me. Don't you all think so? Victims of abuse, patients, medical finance, aid compensations claims process. In the year summer of 2019 to December 2019, I, Vedapriya Prose, filed lawsuit against at fault and found guilty USA nation for $50,000 trillion, and that is why domestic violent prostitute Center for Disease Control created COVID-19 plague with fatal negligence to enforce pain infliction on my brain nerves as of February 22, 2021 and beyond. So crime count 1 is at fault found, at fault prostitute, COVID-19 plague is Prostitute Center for Disease Control failed in welfare services job and with fatal negligence created COVID-19 plague worldwide and mandated mask worldwide and enforced I, Vedapriya Prose, to wear the mask, and it is the deadliest crime of COVID plague. Prostitute Center for Disease Control of USA to enforce I, Vedapriya, to wear the mask as mandate and creating emotional torture in my brain nerves. I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge for civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines. So I, Vedapriya Pro Se, want Prostitute Center for Disease Control of USA to pay the tax of $500 billion to be, you know, to $500 trillion direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 second, and wild endangered species, domestic violent, Republica prostitute, absolute monarchs, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and faces of Pope Francis failed in absolute monarch's job, and with deadliest crime of domestic violence, fatal negligence classified as deadliest venom, poisonous wild endangered species for created COVID-19 plague, and mandated mask to enforce emotional torture, pain infliction on brain nerves of I, Vedapriya Pro Se. So I want wild endangered species, domestic violent leprosy patient, Republica prostitute, absolute monarchs to sign off tax-free $500,000 trillion per prostitute, absolute monarchs times total absolute monarchs, direct deposit of or wire transfer to my bank account next 1 second. Damages to my brain nerves done by prostitute absolute monarchs is classified. Domestic violence with fatal negligence is proved. And Roman province Jesuits orgs of USA in 50 states of state of Wisconsin, state of Illinois, state of Michigan, state of New York, state of New England, state of Maryland, state of Louisiana, state of Missouri, state of California, state of Oregon must pay separate tax $500,000 trillion. Multiply that with the 10 states of Jesuits. That would be 500, followed by 4 zeros, trillion dollars. Direct deposit to my bank account. And domestic violent types, breach of duty. The domestic violent types are provided by the Center for Disease Control is classification of breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass to chattels and types. And I hope we are all on the same page, my dear fellow mankind. And yes, I sure will get the medical compensation for entire human kingdom. Just be patient, because there is long list of crime that I have to prove. Meaning, beyond the proving part, because I already educated, right? Beyond the proving part, it is like it helps any national operation to count that crime. Got it? Like count that fatal negligent part with the 2 different governments means 100 counts of fatal negligence, right? So count that crime. Got it? So who created COVID-19? Center for Disease Control. So how many medical services are there? La, isn't it? Don't you all think I should get the civil services by just handcuffing Center for Disease Control and mandating them to kneel down in front of 193 nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans and getting the rightful justice myself according to the Holy Bible guidelines? Either Center for Disease Control should say what knows what is the Holy Bible, or should say don't know what is Holy Bible. For me, just pay the penalty. I never asked for mask. I never asked for COVID-19 plague. First of all, at the first place, there should never be any plague. And why on there they're making a joke and mockery of that plague that never even existed, and they wanted to create a havoc after havoc after disaster after disaster. I'm so done with all kind of crap thrown at me, right? So yes, my dear fellow mankind, I should get the job offer signed off. I should get the salary. I should get the national benefits. I should get all the rightful finance aid. These are all salary I'm earning after all. Because I'm just displaying the crime, right? It's a crime for Center for Disease Control to have created COVID-19 at the first place. There should never be any crime. I mean, there should never be any COVID-19 plague at the first place. Nobody knows that, right? And this is how these doctors will fool the fellow mankind, because non-medical population are laymen, right? They'll just go with whatever the doctor is asking them to do. Okay, so this is what it is, my dear fellow mankind, and yes, I should get the civil justice. Don't all think so. And I will get civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. Okay? Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.